Welcome to our guide on how to update the Discord app on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Discord app on your PC by launching it from your desktop or Start menu. Once the Discord app is open, proceed to close it completely. This ensures that the app is fully shut down. After closing the Discord app, allow some time for the app to automatically check for updates in the background. To update the Discord app, simply reopen it. Since Discord updates automatically, the app will automatically check for updates and apply them each time you restart it. By following these steps, you can easily ensure that your Discord app is kept up to date with the latest features and improvements. Remember, keeping your Discord app updated is important to ensure you have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to update the Discord app on your PC effortlessly.